be showing you my yard. It's got a new electric lawnmower. This is before I cut it. As you can see, it's really long. So this is the electric trimmer we have. I'd like to show a couple of the features of it. First off, it's really light, so if you're a little older than most or have a bad arm, it's really easy to carry for long periods of time. We just cut our yard today, and so I think the battery should be still full. We didn't cut much. We just cut around the garden, around the walls and stuff. And we're gonna see if the battery lasts. I think it's gonna last 1 or 2 more times the cutting. Right here is your string. It's auto feeding, so it comes out automatically. This thing cuts it off if it gets too long. Your shield. This thing's cool. It is a edger, so you can use this thing, push this, and turn it. It has a guide, so you don't like chop off stuff you don't want to chop. And you can bring it back, you want to use it, or you can bring this back, bring like that. If you want to use it as an edger too. This pull, which I'm not going to loosen it with one hand, but you can telescope it. This is the longest it goes, but you can make it shorter for storage. This handle's adjustable back and forth with this knob, and then you have your safety thing, so you can't press this. Down it, your battery, 18 volts. So if I wanted to turn it on, press this, and that's on. Pretty much that's it. And then you have, got that in here, just your charger that comes with it. Basic charger, plug in your battery. I think it takes like 8 hours to charge it. Should be able to get a pretty long use out of it. That's pretty much the electric trimmer. Yeah. It's the yard after the lawnmower cut it. Cuts pretty well. I'm showing you my yard. It's got a new electric lawnmower. This is before I cut it.